The second topic is attitude. This topic relates to a driver's attitude towards other road users, the rules of the road, and their own driving in general. It also covers how drivers should react to things that occur on the road. It is important that all drivers display a measure of patience, control, and awareness when taking to the road, avoiding reckless and careless behavior that can endanger themselves and other road users. Tailgating is when a driver drives behind another vehicle while not leaving sufficient distance to stop without causing a collision if the vehicle in front stops suddenly. The highway code reminds us that nobody has priority at unmarked crossroads. That means that you don't have any formal right to emerge onto the junction before other vehicles. A loose filler cap on a diesel fuel tank can cause the road to become slippery for other road users. You can park/overtake on either side of this road type. When wanting to turn right, you should position your car in the right-hand lane. In dry conditions, you should always leave a 2-second time gap in between yourself and the car in front of you. Only flash your headlights to let other road users know that you are there. Trams are eco-friendly, electric-powered modes of public transport. If you see horses, slow down and allow plenty of room.